NASA's bold return to the moon is represented by the Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the lunar surface. NASA, on the other hand, faces new obstacles as the launch dates get closer, some of which could cause the mission to be postponed or even cancelled entirely. Yet, it's not simply the moon that is the issue this time. No, the difficulties confronting NASA today are substantially more complicated than any time in recent memory. The goal of the Artemis mission is to accomplish more than just erecting a new flag on the moon. It's tied in with laying out a reasonable human presence, preparing for more profound space investigation, and in the end, focusing on Mars. Artemis the an uncrewed dry run, is as of now behind us. Artemis II, which is scheduled to launch in 2024, will orbit the moon for the first time, and Artemis III, which is scheduled to launch in 2025, will land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface. In any case, late reports definitely disapprove of the mission's course of events and financial plan. Unexpected technical delays and skyrocketing costs are hindering NASA's lunar ambitions. The Space Launch System, or SLS, is the centerpiece of Artemis. It is the most powerful rocket that NASA has ever constructed. However, the SLS's development and testing have been significantly more challenging than anticipated, resulting in rising costs that are already close to $23 billion. Nearly $4 billion could be spent on each launch. With that sort of sticker price, each postpone matters. Engine failures during testing have been one of the main issues. The Space Shuttle-derived RS-25 engines are powerful but outdated. Unexpected issues have arisen as a result of updating them for Artemis. The Lunar Gateway and the Orion spacecraft are the next two essential parts. Both the Gateway, a lunar outpost for long-term missions, and Orion have experienced delays due to heat shield development. However, the timeline is being threatened by more than just technical issues. Tensions in geopolitics are rising. China has also set its sights on the moon, and their own lunar programs are moving quickly. The race is on, and China wants to have a lunar base by 2030. NASA should remain ahead if it has any desire to keep up with its authority in space investigation. NASA recognizes these difficulties, however, stays focused on the Artemis timetable. Engineers are putting in a lot of effort to fix the technical problems. Additionally, NASA is requesting additional funding from Congress to keep the mission on track despite budgetary constraints. In addition, NASA and private space companies are working together to support the mission. The Human Landing System, HLS, which is designed to bring astronauts from lunar orbit to the moon's surface, is being developed by SpaceX with its Starship. But what is the significance of the Artemis mission? The moon is more than just a way to get to Mars. It also gives us a chance to establish a long-term human presence outside of Earth, opening up a new era of exploration and potentially valuable resources. Establishing a base on the moon could be used as a launch pad for more in-depth space missions, both of which could potentially alter our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Lunar mining could also provide rare resources. NASA's Artemis mission faces many obstacles, from monetary requirements to mechanical difficulties. However, the longing to return to the moon is still as strong as ever. The obstacles are formidable, but if NASA succeeds, Artemis will usher in a new era of space exploration that could alter humanity's future.